Mami Mao Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTVGH and say Happy New Month to you also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following us. And thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. For by now, NPP Nibia name Ghana Jollof. But a same way, dear. And yen Ghana Jollof on Kwane can me amity and so me kebi. Just a me manya videos. Same because why or NPP ma. We the youth are not happy about it. We are not happy about it. Look, never be wa. Meaning say politics no. Enye about say enye life or death affair. But you create enemies only way in Kasa. I didn't tell you NDC. No, our friends are in the NDC. Yeah, our friends are in the NDC. I have friends in NDC. And I know most of the people are viewers. Some of your mates are in NDC. And my policy is beautiful. Now, when my friend in NDC is organizing a party and invites me, I would attend. But there are cases when I will not attend. And I will mention that later in this video. Now, say NPP ni a party. Now NDC ni so a party at the same time. And both of them invite me. No krenya meaning. Me call NPP ni party. I will disappoint my friend the NDC no. Me no, that's me. And those who know me know that I would always choose an NPP person any day over an NDC person. Because ni power NPP no, oye mi busi any. Yeah. Whether the person is from the north, person is from the south, the person is from Ashanti region, or your Fantini, or your Ekrapem New, or your Bebe Mampusi New, or Kusasi New, the moment Nipani NPP Ninkwani, oye mi busi any. And this is one of the reasons why we are not happy with the delegations are more cause Sammy Gyamfi party na yeah. Because apparently from things we are hearing, and one of my friends that I love so much, Manuel Dako, I'm not sure Manuel will lie. And Manuel has brought it, says, you abandoned a former NPP deputy minister's mother's funeral to attend the funeral of the father-in-law of an NDC member and proudly share videos to showcase it. Are we serious at all? NNASM, NPP ni our deputy minister, ni mame, eye, na ekoswa at the same time as Sammy Gyamfi, papa-in-law, father-in-law. Eye no. Na deputy minister no, what disappointing no. Man koye no. Na mwako NDC ni ye. And you ne no. That is what we are not happy with. Secondly, say you share the kind of lavish, expensive funeral as Sammy Gyamfi. Overpower Nancy ya. Organizing man father-in-law no. Now Crawford be cry bisa say ada sikani bi warrior na. And that is the second condition I wanted to tell you earlier on in the video. Now, if you are organizing a party, as my friend in NDC, now me who say the way minimum munisika minimum say ni party are organizing a way ahead of your personal funds. I will not attend because your source of money is questionable. Now I believe say NPP for Mukohono. There were videos first before you people went there. You should have seen those videos. And since say Sammy Gyamfi Obadabenya is able to organize such lavish funeral, high class funeral, very expensive funeral. Hey, I was an Kunyana cranny na golden stuff from museum. Hey, you want to say, hey, na yemponi. They say yemponi and the 40th birthday there, even then. Say yemponi anka is in the Awariano celebration of 5th anniversary, 10th anniversary. Hey, then never see. When you now you beside you say anka Sammy Gyamfi anye CEO of Gold Border. Anka obet binya sika to organize that. It's a question. Would he have gotten money to organize such a lavish funeral? That is a question. MPP4, we must start asking questions. And it's our right to ask questions and to get answers to it. Yeah, Bissau, says Sammy Gyamfi, anye Gold Board CEO. Sa funeral I organize here, no, anka bet me organize. Anka Sammy Gyamfi wa opposition mo. Na sa seme se no. Sa ye no obet me organize to that standard na. A question. We need answers. But we are not happy with our executives who allegedly did not attend a party person's funeral just to show up Sammy Gyamfi's own. We are not happy. And that is why you see, say, me, it's not always that I agree with Ghana Jollof, because sometimes I feel, say, the insults are too many. But I feel she has a case in this one. Let's listen to her and then other stuff. Ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia se wope photographers omunim juma ebano editing omutwa pictures omu cameras akese lenses akese omu drones ni bibia ope bia no a touch of the way photography for omunaba was screen so esa wo contact omu say yeah ma a wedding funeral birthday party. And I say, assassin been put na one person who hear drone video, in drone pictures of assassina. But more than say, I contact the touch of the photography. Baby, upe, so muye jumano mau, Gana have a piano. Omuye claro no me yamau. And omuye very, very, very affordable. So, upe so a birthday photo shoot. What more manoni, person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But more than say, only touch of the way photography for wedding como and the catch room say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount.
Ni omukoja na yin eno mu ye na tu no. Wonso na wunya yi ana ukra na omusi awo a enko omunya watu wunim ne ntia. Omo fere se obi behu se wo na wo kuma MPP na wo gu ho anim ase jimi ho no. Omo fere se obi behu se wo mo ne wo ewa alliance binti wukro muhia wa ye nkasa wo ho saa nete se wajimintia wo mabɔ mmɔden sacrifice yen ni ye nkɔko ntɔkwa ye ne yemfi ye nim ndi ne yemuru ye nnua nkɛse yen na yenwu ya brabo nya basa na omo mfa metena konwa no so ni na ntisa aka Sammy Gyamfi hwan na edidi Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne MPP4 empanyimfo atemese ne Sammy Gyamfi oguguru abehu bebre enso ne omo ne na eya atu no wo no hu hia wo mo ye empanyimfo na sacrifice ye say ye nkɔ Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne MPP4 ho ban na omo enkuyan na omo no magi tumi saa na omo ka kire yen na nkoma faka afra chichiri ni bente ebe ya atu wo mu di atem wo mu ni wo mu be ya atu wo hu be ne hia wo mu wuti krom ha na Kevin Taylor papa be wo mu abekwasa wo mu koye Kevin Taylor papa yie wo wunya bibia mfra wo mu mma o sa na mpesam chebuko wo agimi nti wo mu mma na ade ne nya mpanyifo bi mu eka ho wo koye ni bia enke won sembe kapa ba mpanyifo ni bi ka ho wo koye wo bia timi abo krono Sammy Gyamfi abo krono atoka e won tabayama nase na Roberts akobo nutu aka me ne yemmo mitu ho mwase wahwe sika wase awia ye nkwase yewe nase ne hwe nanim nase ba nanim ase ka akoba kwasiafo abusuafo we moya ho akoye ye o matu e de kire yen mubu ya jimi fuo nti nyamwa me de me ni hia meka na yensem nyina no ye de amanya me munyere mo ho ana mu ye kwase me se wo hia na frɛ no hwɛ so obeba Kwame MPP obeye na se ne yere na yie no obeye nda ben yesra mu mpanyifo mu nyina mu nkogya no why Kwame MPP ne yere na yie no obeye no mo mmɔden ana mu nkogya no bi yesra mu ana mutimi kokumase yiyam e wo se mu kogya ono nso ayi mutiri mu ɔden dodo na wono Sammy Gyamfi no obu nipa hwan na ye na maye ye jimi fo we so hwe so oregam mase akoregam de agu
sa law no se Kenya for pass ye na ye papa nti ye pass no me pa so nim say we were under IMF conditionalities and non kodanchen other than that ye won phobia from Friends of Ghana obi onim maybe obi hu they are making Friends of Ghana and it entails so many type of a and all these people organizations are almost helping in our health in our education almost the programs now they are there then edebeba should you go do this Ebema even your international people now nanka because say NPP like page at international level no very high and until side nim the na ba so no it would have come down. Other than that, economically, our country would have suffered even harder than what we were suffering in like the December and stuff. I'm telling you, it would have been worse. Papa Rich, and this is what they wanted to do to Ghana. Nesika kakra ye de education, no man enko na education say. Because Nana do tisunti opeso oba power. Ne sika nke beko health aye de beye health no say sika ne say because Nana do tiso opese service ba umi emma na service ono ne aban no emra. Na hwe obedi ade no obia nkokan. There is nothing Sam George promised in opposition he has been able to deliver. And the communication service tax, are we not paying it? We are paying it.
Yeah, yeah.
The data he said he was going to bring it down. Later on, he told us, yeah, change your phone setting. And honest, that's the solution. He talked about Aku AI. Aku came and said, who is this ugly guy? I don't know him. I can't even talk to you. He tell you he's going to do laptop buying. When Nanado and Baumia bought laptops, we are talking about Nanado laptops. I forgot the name. We are not much one teacher, one laptop. No. I forgot the brand, but a very good brand. Omonkwa akoto eyaba Sam George koyo so akoto ade bi e de senya o se lenono enye levono po lenono akoto lenono akote nkwase sika akoto nkwase abade abre yen se yemfa nye ye the computer iba ye na ye mia computer ye nia o say I'm not working today ye the computer iba ye mia na nia say I'm not working today na Ghana for akwase ampafu ni bi gina chire because of NDC just sentino o gina chire na Sam George ele kwe etu oni wa etu odu na because mo ni munyansa
Oh, Felix.
omo ni munyansa
Tell him.
ni munyansa na fanini na akoto echiri no
I know the very photo that guy.
afi uni bibi nana finally God gives these people the opportunity to come to power. And I'm over catching you say the bill is dead with the 8th parliament. You yate. But that bill there when I say we are new parliament, but we reenact it, go on the circle and then put it back for us to do, right? No. Now shadi. And Crawford we were na omo yan say yemo na yansan and the yansan Crawford 3 mwa yomo baby. Hey, John Maham Bushia software na minim emisa no panomo ma na yini bi tumburu kuno kakra de fra na ni asintin wodu woni na na side tetete the government will bring a government sponsored bill. Hey, challenge papa no ade ne ni abre won ho pa yo yate government sponsor bill beba ene ne enra ye kote ya yes private member bill na na ye de abo ene na ansa de esi ye no na mo the private member bill na ye ni na ate ase se no ne ye ko sign na aba mo se da bi o ye yi bi afrim ya amend bi ana de na mo amend ye no adenyo na ye di tu mu no adenyo na ye di tu mu no enu ntina nka ye pese ye di gu NPP fu animu ase de sei wo mo party di bubu o mo no sa adenyo no ye ko yi afrim ene de unim de ayeka yes me am a celebrity because me born nyom Saka Sama NPP the biggest job ever enti se me pa metumi akofa mema mienu a ekese utie na me de ayata de na me de promote to street to some perform a na obema so obema sisi achi a owo na Gambia kwasiafo akɔnum wi e de begina wachi na sebe o ne kura na different size be to sen
Tell them.
abodamfo amono sese mode mo kra akɔhye sa akɔfo we mu a ye jimu
Trauma for.
ntine no papa rich se me na me pa na me so e bia me se ma mienu monkey si me ntwa picture eno nya atade a me hye de akɔ stage I'm promoting it. I cannot be caught. And then, omo pa kire me say obi oye CSO to say Professor Gyamfi there be onokra de onka ho aboa bi. Ayi ba ko no ka ho ayi sa professor for here nenam we. Yam from say CSO see. So o pese wo kofa gay we di omo ba. Na omo be ye gay ho sinika akra kire ya say promotion and ameboa. They can do it. The law is not making God, please don't forgive these people, no matter how bad NPP has done. Never forgive this NDC people, God, especially this current regime. Never forgive them. Omo ye from the pit and the belly of the real demon. They have no conscience. They have no principles. At the end of it, go. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes. Almost in an eye. Mm-hmm. You see
No,
where they went?
that's untrue. I work in the hospitals and come see my brother. Yes, in any way, you know, you
Yeah.
Masa,
Me
Obi
say
Obeka saying here, are you is it ironical or you are just being factual?
that is part of the bill, my brother.
No, we are not even talking in the context of the bill, like in the uh-huh, uh-huh, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. That is what they want you to say, right? Yes.
And isn't that
Yes, because they
promoting it?
want that thing to take over the world.
Isn't
Yeah, I
that
got you.
good?
Yeah, got you.
Okay,
And they are
intino
going to
medema
sponsor it big time. Yeah, got you.
inti medema no be sino. Afe yenhwe de asie. For the past 5 months, and this inside them, sebe ekuafo kam, a nursefo, a teacherfo, obi ekam, one more ton mo, agbelimafo ni na no se sebe. What the bonus is sukria emuntumi nchi. Na sebe omo tumi de achigare no.
Man, they wait to the ball.
Oh no, serious. Agbelima for and that these days almost say abu no so agu so kra na entumi nchi agbelima no mu ne omo anya bi de achi say be gali no. Obi aso ahye 18 mo. And na almost started say omo be be defend so obe kaya say omo mpanifo no te so obi te say Mr. Mahama obeka say the government cannot take this amount of people to World Cup. Na omo ayifo no so akose oh the government will take everybody to the World Cup. Na omo catch communicators no kwa we say the government has buy ticket for everybody. Now you know one scam they have just done. Yen yet diaspora. Unim di omo kan omo say afi di omo no omo wo Ghana na ya ye fundraising dia mom. Omo de says can mo beto take it to ha my yen. Forgetting say if you
Me
want to
akoshe
get a
soccer no.
ticket, if you want to get a ticket to this thing, it is already gone. Na ticket no crown, they are not even releasing them. Inti,
And look,
why do they keep lying? Na dia ya me ya no say dia ya dada no and this ni na ma dada no. No we be jina ha. No chiro papa rate your face. Fellas appear you stupid. Eno no ko.
unso when you be ama.
Also one could be me can sabe nkwasiade a waye jimi a wajimi say World Cup wo kwanu nti anti ayo ko ba wakonyem no because also oba obetitim na sabe ai oba no wo no plan ekura ne say oba betitim
Na omunim dia emra sisi ekoso ukrom ha.
enne ebebu abomo finally
Okay.
Mr. Richie one will say obi awoba am obi akotu ne din da
Ebi
Tell
si.
me.
me patcho be we want sponsor e pa one na hear the face of it.
Yeah.
And I hear the face of it. Bill we and yes, but and yes, I'm George.
Onwa,
Yes, I'm good.
The patron here
he
pass
was the
no.
president.
No, no.
When him
They
say
knew
extra.
exactly what they were doing.
Almost all the all the four, some of your fours are 5 from the
None
majority
of them
side,
was in
no?
parliament.
There were
None of
8
them
of
were
them.
there, yeah.
8 of them.
Inti TNU say ya the papa say wa wo bana ho ofe na opesa adofo na obe jambo mu a obekwa kwatete so obi na ma melonche obama. It shows you how demonic these people are. But ene me ka sherade anuonyam say one ana ye kasa social media so na omunye yendi said these people were doing a plot. These people, all they wanted was that 4 years to come and governize and collect everything they can get for the 4 years because they know they are not coming to power again. I promise you, mark today down. The Omaya Ghana force is saying, the Omadia Kriya force is saying, the Omadia BEC for the Omadia SSC for the Omadia even Yansasini Yensio, even when they came to power, no, they would never taste power. And they think that it is a joke. Said there is an implication on it. Said Ghana is governed by spirits. Said Ghana is governed by blood. Said Ghana is governed by like strong powers. And those powers will turn. Those powers will turn. And when those powers turn, I hope these guys have the ways to dance with that type of music that will come. And then Abededi, President say Adieno, and maybe we move as a sanke and 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 like I mean like Richie, once he says that, he's not signing that, right? Mama is not gonna sign that, right? Okay, so into Tio. Jimmy for NDC for you. How many they do? Hey, he signed. Adia to me and Mama Bayawa, Mama say me, yeah, you. Adia na motia say wa moton, no me say me, yeah. I'm telling you, these people are stupid. And yeah, gross up party no more yare.
Serious, brother.
Now opening it to a nimuness idea no one, yeah. What's one of them TV soon radio system, Mama or bear you? I'm not so one noy. Young more dang, a dear 2 minutes, I get
Ghana, your problem. Your problem.
So Ghana, I like going crazy for Ghana. This is the mentality of people in Ghana. Where your finance minister is telling you, I cannot pay workers. Social media for say he has paid all workers. I can't buy cocoa. What type of life is that?
Towards.
And penny for so fancy. Now Obisun can be